Not every day you tune into poultry, but you're feeling we need to get free from this battery. Listen, chickens are fly. I can talk turkey, so if anyone asks, just say a little bird told me. Call it free range, but this is a cage. I'm just a chick, but got good reason to rage, man. Wings pinned, beak trimmed, tagged and crammed into plastic. Friends understand this is so bloody drastic. Mercy, we squawk, getting done like a dinner. Duck out, lose your head or get minced in the ringer. Keeping us numbed, dumb by domestication, addicted to gross food and sick medication. Life is cheap in this scrambled economy. They grow fat from our flesh while we scratch for chicken feed. Evil plots hatch, laid up lies, stew our goose. Truth, it's more morbid than bird flu. We pull out our plumes in despair and frustration, hence spending our own poo in mass concentration. Like we're already dead meat, just means of production, sacrificed to the culture cult of civilization. Think that's all there is for your average chook? Then seek out this story in a book. You already know it. From visions in dreams, they are jungle fowl. Our relatives live free. Fossic, for their own food, drink from clear streams, not force-fed poison by inhuman machines. They make their own choices, learn their own ways, not in submission to any puffed-up bird brains. Bask in the sunshine, bathe in the golden dust, sleeping by moonlight at home in the treetops, flapping wings in the wind, stretching legs swift and strong, dance in the branches, sing the sweet chicken song. You know, in your breast, we have lost all that, and now, right now, we are claiming it all back. Birds of a feather, as one we flock, working no more. You can go and get fucked. We're all funky little earth sons and daughters, and we are not subject to their pecking orders. Won't let strangers go on ruling our roost, and although we are chicken dude, we take a fell swoop. 'Tis the season we flew and blew this damn coop, as we heed the call to the great chicken coup.